friends, welcome to my channel SHIKHARTZ. Here you will learn all types of arts. So today we will draw a drawing video. In this we will draw a smiling kite. So let's start the video. So we have, first of all we will draw a straight line. Then we'll make sides of that kite equal parts. Then we'll draw a structure of the kite, side lines. We'll making eyes. Now you can see we are making the hair sort of structure, which will give a good effect to that. So now we will make the smile of our kite. So this is the two teeth, then a tongue. Then we'll do the tail sort of structure. So we have made the eyebrows. It's very easy to make. You can learn while seeing. तो आप देखते देखते बहुत easily आप draw कर सकते हैं. So now we'll do the coloring part. We have used the yellow color for the hair. Or then you can do any contrast color for your kite. So I have used the orange and blue color for my kite. So see, the orange color is done in the upper part of the kite, and then we'll do the blue color that will give a contrast color to our kite. So we'll do the coloring part. We are doing the blue color is done, almost done. Then we'll do the color of lips, mouth. We are doing mouth first. We'll do the black color on the mouth. Yes, see. Then we'll do the red color on the tongue. So the tongue is done. Then we'll make a tail. The tail short and then sides also. So here our kite is on the way. Now we'll do the thread. Make a thread black. I have used a black color for thread. So it's very easy to draw. You can learn while seeing. So blue lining for the eyes. That will make our kite more beautiful. So we are making the spindle holding a thread. So this is our thread, and now we have almost done. The kite is almost prepared, and the drawing and coloring is almost done. So hope you guys like it. Do like, subscribe, share my video. Thank you friends for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more such updates and stay connected. So Shikha saying bye bye.